In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Etsy shop, a creative marketplace to showcase and sell your unique products. Whether you're a jewelry maker, an artist, or a craft enthusiast, opening an Etsy shop is a fantastic way to reach a global audience. So, let's dive right in and guide you through each step of setting up your new venture on Etsy. To get started, head over to Etsy.com. If you already have an account, simply click Sign In located at the top right of the page. For those who are new, you'll need to click on Register to create a new account. It's a straightforward process that will set the foundation for your shop. Once you're all logged in, you'll notice an option at the top right of the Etsy dashboard that says Sell on Etsy. Click on this, and then you'll want to select Open Your Etsy Shop. Now that you're on the path to setting up your shop, start by setting your shop's preferences. Choose the language you'll primarily use to communicate with your customers, select your country, and decide on a currency that you want your shop to operate in. This step is crucial as it ensures that your shop is tailored to your specific needs. Once you've made your selections, click Save and Continue. Following this, it's time to name your shop. This is your chance to get creative and choose a unique shop name. Keep in mind it needs to be between 4 and 20 characters without any spaces or special characters. As you type your preferred name, Etsy will automatically let you know if it's available. Once you land on a unique name that resonates with your brand, hit Save and Continue. With your shop named, it's time to stock it with your products. This is where you add your first listing, and it's important to make it count. Start by uploading high-quality photos that truly capture the essence of your product. Next, craft a clear and enticing title along with a detailed description. Don't forget to set your pricing and include the necessary shipping details. Remember, you'll need to specify whether your item is a physical product or a digital one. Once you have all these details filled out, simply click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to set your payment methods. Etsy Payments is highly recommended as it supports multiple payment options, making it convenient for your buyers. To ensure you get paid, enter your bank details accurately, then click Save and Continue. Finally, let's address the billing information. You'll need to provide your credit card or billing information, which Etsy will use to process the fees associated with running your shop. With everything set and ready, click on Open Your Shop, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your Etsy shop and you're now ready to start selling your amazing creations to the world. If you have any further questions or want more tips on optimizing your Etsy presence, feel free to explore more of our videos. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new Etsy shop.